So it makes me question, am I really right in thinking you're a chartered accountant? Put out openly, and a chartered accountant keeps repeatedly saying, that's exactly what I'm asking. I'm saying that in written and in oral. What more does he want? I've not hidden anything here.
He shall ask the question through the chairman. That's the rule. Besides this rule, I have on 322 on my computer.
हम लोग देखा करते थे कि क्रिकेट के मैच में जब टीम हारने लगती थी तो विकेट उखाड़ करके चल देती थी.
I just want to, one broad reference to, because Honorable Member Raghav Chadha is seated here. I got to know he's a chartered accountant. Sorry, I didn't know earlier. I must confess. But he said, probably I've forgotten. Pardon for that.
Please, John Britasik, her वक्त मत
Because
please.
repeatedly I don't see the strength of a chartered accountant coming in your in your interventions. So it makes me question, am I really right in thinking you're a chartered accountant? Sir, I want to say, marginal relief, sir. About the 12 lakh rupee, I honestly want to request humbly Honorable Member Raghav Chadha ji to please kindly not mislead the House. I don't mean he intended it to do. I don't think he intended to mislead the House. But the way he put the whole detail about the personal income tax, which has come in this budget, sir, 25-26, we issued FAQ. Just as soon as I finished my speech, the FAQ was put out. Lots of people who asked the questions have all been comprehensively given explanation. For an honorable member to come to the House and say, no, you will pay entirely every rupee post your 12 lakh salary. No, the marginal relief takes it further down. You don't need to pay till about 12 lakh 75,000, but you don't end up paying
Mr. Raghav Chadha, you have already spoken. No,
that's zero, and after 12.75.
Please take your seat. Please take.
Yes?
Please.
12 points, sir, for his understanding. Raghav Chadha, honorable member, kindly indulge me. I will give you number by number. Listen to me. Sir, 12 lakh 10,000. If suppose the person earns more than 12 lakh, that was his core worry. I'm saying, if he earns more than 12 lakhs, suppose he earns 12 lakh 10,000, the tax without marginal relief would have been 61,500. Whereas with tax marginal relief given, which is given in the budget, he pays only 10,000 rupees. All right, sir. So yes, 12 lakh 50,000. What if he earns that much? The tax without marginal relief. Listen, please. Listen, please.
Mr. Raghav Chadha,
Listen.
please.
You misled the House. At least hear it now.
Please take your seat.
You misled the House.
Please take your seat. I am not allowed to. Please take your seat.
Sir, if a person earns 12 lakh 50,000, tax without marginal relief for him would have been 67,500 rupees. 67,500. But with marginal relief offered, he will pay only 50,000. Suppose he is earning 12 lakh 70,000 rupees. Without marginal relief, he will pay 70,500. Whereas with marginal relief, he pays 70,000. And it is only when he reaches 12 lakh 75,000, his tax will be 71,250 with or without marginal relief. All right, that is it. What do you expect me to go on till 20,000? So, Raghav Chadha being a chartered accountant, I repeat,
सिर्फ माननीय
is
वित्त
only
मंत्री की बात जारी
misleading
रखिए.
all
आप
of us
बैठ
rather
जाएं.
than informing
हर वक्त
people.
डिस्टर्ब न करें,
And
बैठ
this
जाएं.
is put out openly. There's no hide and seek in this. This is put out, the calculation are put out openly. And a chartered accountant keeps repeatedly saying, that's exactly what I'm asking. I'm saying that in written and in oral. What more does he want? I've not hidden anything here.
हम लोग देखा करते थे कि क्रिकेट के मैच में जब टीम हारने लगती थी तो विकेट उखाड़ करके चल देती थी। मुझे अपना बचपन याद आ गया कि इतने जिम्मेवार पार्टी जो यहां हम 90 स्पीकर्स को सुने, उनके एक एक बिंदुओं को ध्यान में लेकर के वित्त मंत्री महोदया तैयारी करें और उसका जवाब दें, और जवाब जब सुनने की हिम्मत ना हो तो विकेट उखाड़ करके चल दें। खुद का विकेट उखाड़ करके चल दे। ये संसदीय परंपराओं के विरुद्ध है। मैं चाहूंगा कि इतनी पुरानी पार्टी, वैसे वो अपने बुद्धिमत्ता के प्रदर्शन के कारण हर समय उनकी गिरावट बढ़ती जा रही है, लेकिन फिर भी हम चाहते हैं कि वो आगे बढ़ें, और बढ़ने के लिए कम से कम इतना तो ध्यान रखें और मादा रखें कि जब वित्त मंत्री पॉइंट वाइज, और सिर्फ वित्त मंत्री जवाब नहीं देती, दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट विथ फुल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, और उस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ जब वो जवाब देती हैं, द ऑपोजिशन शुड ऑल्सो टेक इट इन दैट वेरी स्पिरिट।
Gajendra Singh Shekhawat said the center isn't showing any stepmotherly treatment. If anything, it seems West Bengal's own administration is failing to act. So I want Bengal also to know that there is no
Finance Minister, here is a point of order. Can you see? Please, Derek ji. Mr. Derek O'Brien, your point of order. Point number. Rule.
Within the rules.
Yes. Which rule?
Within the rules. Let me finish. Let me finish.
I'm going ahead.
Within the rules.
Sir, with your permission,
Please.
if there is no rule, I'm going ahead. With your permission, sir.
Within
if there is
the
no
rules
rule, no
of
rule, on which it is
239,
being quoted,
sir.
the point of objection
Sir.
being raised. If there is no rule, with your
239.
permission, I want to go ahead.
1 minute. 239.
Sir, within the rules I was asking for the last 3 minutes.
Please.
Now you've given me 239.
Yes.
239 is the rule. I'll just bring it to your notice. When for the purposes of explanation during discussion or for any sufficient reason, no, let me read it. Any member has occasion to ask a question of another member on any matter under the consideration of the council, he shall ask the question through the chairman. That's the rule. Besides this rule, I have on 322 on my computer, 322 referring to a chairman's ruling, debate state matters. That is my ruling, sir. Please pull out 322 on your computer and I'm asking the question. State matters. Without prior notice, I'm reading, nothing should be said derogatory about a state government. That is a rule.
No, sir.
Wait, that's a ruling.
Please,
that's a ruling. Now my question.
Please.
Sir, 239, my question.
Yes.
I have a pointed question to the finance minister. Pointed question.
Yes.
Pointed question.
Please.
7,000.
Please.
Pointed question. You answer me yes or no. 7,500 crores owed to Manrega for Bengal. 99%. Point 2. Compliance has been met. Where is the money for Manrega and Awas Yojana? Where is the money for Manrega and Awas Yojana?
No,
don't mislead the House.
No.
Don't
Please.
tell us about
Honorable Finance
who
Minister.
came on Monday.
Please. Nothing is going on record. Please take your seat.
Sir.
Please, no point of view. Please. Sit. Please.
Sir.
Honorable leader of the House, Mani, please.
Sir, nothing derogatory against any state government has been said. Yes. They are trying to politicize the issue. You raise issues and you try to give an impression that something injustice is being done to a state. And the national and the union.
Please take your seat. आपकी कोई बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं
Is this a fish market? Are you making it a fish market? Are you making a fish market now? You don't have
You have
even
to
the
listen.
decency.
Please,
You don't have even the decency to hear.
Yes, please.
Here, you have got only the.
मर्यादा के साथ एक
You
दूसरे से
have
बात
got
करो.
only one
Please
thing
take your
to
seats.
put charges.
Please.
Sir,
Yes, आपकी बात ही रिकॉर्ड हो जा रही है. Please.
nothing derogatory has been said against any state government.
Right.
Number one. Number two, they have raised issues that they are not getting justice to the respective states. The Union Finance Minister is answering one by one the issue how Government of India and Modi government has given more than justice to their states and how the corrupt government of West Bengal is not responding to the fiscal laws and rules. That is what she is trying to say. And now, Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to request you that there should not be any point of order and let the Union
Yes, please.
Finance Minister give the answer incomplete.
Please. Please.